Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the only way version and platform so you avoid incompatible mods. Open the mod browser or community hub and sign in. This grants full search filters. Once logged, type concise keywords, map names, truck model, or feature like suspension, and apply platform and version filters. You want results that match both tag and compatibility. Make sure to sort by recent or most downloaded to find maintained mods, and keep filters tight to reduce noise. Now you refine results by using filters. Set only way compatibility, select your platform, and prefer high ratings. Inspect each mod page, read the description for features and required dependencies. Change logs reveal recent fixes. Look at screenshots and file size to verify scope, then scan user comments for stability reports and install instructions. Once done, compare alternatives. Choose the mod with active updates and clear dependency lists. Make sure the author provides installation steps. That prevents surprises. You install the chosen mod into a test save or after backing up your primary profile. This protects progress. Load the game and test core features. Drive trucks, spawn map elements, check UI changes, and watch for errors or crashes. If something breaks, first disable other mods to isolate conflicts. Clear the game cache, and reinstall the latest mod build. If problems persist, roll back to your backup and report detailed logs to the mod author. That fixes most compatibility headaches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.